So over here, you can see that I have an image right here and I have this text as well. So let's say what I actually want to go ahead and do is keep this image inside of this particular text right here. In that case, you can go ahead and select out this image and then go around over here onto object, then go to PowerClip right here. Then you can see that place inside frame is an option. If I were to go ahead and click on this, then now as I selected out this image, I get this arrow, and if I were to click in this particular text right here, you can see that the image is now within the text. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. What you can also do now in order to quickly use PowerClip is right click and drag and then keep it inside of the text right here just like this. And then what you can do is choose PowerClip inside and the image goes inside of the text just like that as well. So those are the ways in which you can go ahead and keep image inside of the text using PowerClip in Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.